Hello, good evening. So, hi friends, I am Babu Rao. So, today we are going to discuss about ionic equilibrium. In ionic equilibrium, so pH find out. So many people's confused in calculation of pH. So, how it has to be find out, we will discuss today. Understand? First one is if strong acid is given. If strong acid is given, what happens here? Strong acid, if it is given, how can you find out pH? So this is molarity. Molarity means, first of all, we have this is acid. This is strong acid means acid. So we have to find out H plus concentration. H plus concentration, or it is equal to normality. Normality, you know, understand. H plus concentration. H plus concentration, this is normality, is equal to valency factor into molarity. Valency factor into molarity. So valency factors means what? How many valency? You know, normality is equal to weight by molecular weight. Valency factor, already we discussed about that. Valency factor. For this, how many hydrogens are there? 2 hydrogens are there. For this one, H2SO4, how many valence factor is possible? 2. Molarity, how much is there? 2 into 10 power of minus 3 is there. 10 power of minus 3. So this is for H plus concentration. This is for H plus concentration. So how can you find out pH value? Already if H plus concentration is given, we know the formula. If pH, if you want to find out, minus log H plus concentration. This is the formula. You have to remember this one. So apply this formula here. pH is equal to minus log H plus concentration. Minus log H plus concentration, how much it is? 2 into 10 power of minus 3. How can you find out this one? Minus log, sorry, this is correct only. H2SO4. How much it is? This is log A into B form. Log A into B means log A plus log B. So minus log 2 plus minus of log 2 plus this is one minus log 10 power of minus 3. Understand? Minus log 10 3. Okay, here we can write like this also. 2 into 2, how much? 4. Directly we can write like this. Minus log 4 into 10 power of minus 3. How can you write this one? A into B form. This one minus log 4 plus minus log 10 power of minus 3. How can you write this? Minus log 2 square you can write like easily. And this is minus log 10. Minus 3 will be comes towards. So what we got? Minus 3 into minus 3 log 10. Here minus log 2 is there, not 2 will come forward. What happens here? Minus 2 log 2. This is minus into plus, this is minus into minus plus. So overall plus will be there. Here log 10 value 1. 3 into 1. Here minus 2 into log 2 value how much? 0.3. It is 3. Totally this is minus 0.6. It is 3. How much it is remaining? 2.4. 2.4 is the answer. So you have to remember log 10 is equal to 1. Log 1 is equal to 0. Log 2 is equal to 0.3. Log 3 is equal to 0.4. Log 5 is equal to 0.7 and log 4 is equal to 0.6. You have to remember this one. Understand? Next one, second one is given. This is strong base. You know that. Suppose strong base is given. Strong base is given. This is molarity. So we have to find out pH value. pH value means we have to find out first of all H plus concentration. H plus concentration, what is H plus concentration formula? Valency factor into molarity. What is the valence factor here? Only OH will be there, 1 is there. 1 into molarity means 2 into 10 power of minus 3. what happens? H plus concentration overall 2 into 10 power of minus 3. 2 into 10 power of minus 3. You can find out here pH value minus log H plus concentration. Find it minus log H plus concentration how much? 2 into 10 power of minus 3 is there. Here minus log 2 plus minus log 10 power of minus 3 is the option. So what you got? Minus 3 will comes forward and it will get 3, log 10 value 1. So you can find out finally log 2 value. 3 minus log 2 value how much? 0.3. What is the answer? 2.7 is the, sorry, it is not H plus, we are finding here OH minus. Why? Because base is given. That's why this we find out this one is POH. Okay, POH is, we are getting POH. This is totally POH. POH is this one. So now you have to find out pH. How can you find out pH? 14 minus 2.7. How much it is? 11.3 is the answer. pH value. So in this way you can find out OH and POH and pH. Understand? Next, third point is here mixture of strong acids is given. Mixture of strong acids are given. How can you find out pH overall? Understand? So first we have to find out for Na value. Na value means H plus concentration it is. If it is H is there, H plus concentration. So H plus concentration how much it is? NaR H plus concentration, whatever it may be. NaR H plus concentration. How much? 2 into valence factor how much? 1 is there. Here N1 it is N2. N2 how much? 2 valence factor is there. 2 valence factor into next one 1 molar it is there. Concentration Na value. So how much? V1 is there? 100 ml. V2 how much? 100. So multiply with this one N1 V1, N2 V2 how much it is? N1 V1 how much? 200 here. This one 200. Is it correct? Is it correct? Okay. This is the N1, N2, V2. So how can you find out H plus concentration? This is totally acids are given. So we have to find out H plus concentration, overall H plus concentration. So H plus overall H plus concentration. So we have to add this one. N1 V1 plus N2 V2 by V1 plus V2. So N1 V1 how much? 200 is there. And N2 V2 how much? 200 is there. Total overall V1 plus V2 200. Totally 400 by 200 is there. 0, 0. 2 is the H plus concentration. 2 is the H plus concentration. Is there any doubt? So how can you find out pH value? pH value 400 by 200. Done. pH you know that pH value. What is the formula for pH value? Minus log H plus concentration. Listen, pH is equal to how much? Minus log H plus how much? 2 is there. Minus log means how much? Log 2 value 0.3010 or something will be answer. This is the pH value for strong acid. So if strong acid are mixed, we can find out like this. Understand? Next, fourth option is how can you find out pH value? So what is given? Strong bases are given. Bases are given. Bases given means how can you find out pH? First of all, we have to go through POH value. Then only 14 minus POH we can get pH value. Okay. Then coming to this point, what happens? N value you have to find out. N1 how much it is? Valence factor 1. 1 into 0.2. Okay. N1 V1 directly we will write here. Into how much? 100 ml for this one. Here how many valence factors? N2 V2. How many is valence factor? 2. 0.2 and 100 ml. What happens here? This is 20. this is 40. So what is the formula for OH concentration? We are getting here OH concentration overall. N1 plus V1 plus N2 V2 by V1 plus V2. How much N1 V1? 20 plus N2 V2 40 by total how much? 200 ml. 2 plus 40 how much? 60 by 200. 0 0 3 2 3s 2 10s. How much? 0.3. 0.3 for OH minus concentration. How can you find out pH value? Minus log OH minus concentration. Minus log OH minus concentration. How much it is? 0.3. How can you write this OH minus 3? 0.3. 3 into 10 to the power minus 1 you can write like this also. So how can you separate? This is in form of log A into D. How can you separate it? Minus log 3 plus minus log 10 power of minus 1. Minus 1 will be come forward and minus into minus plus 1 will be the answer. So what happens? 1 minus log 3 will be there. 1 minus log 3 value how much? 0.4. What is the answer? 0.6 is pOH value. pOH, not it is pH. Understand? So now we have to find out, go for pH. So pH how much? 14 minus pOH. You will get easily answer. 14 minus 0.6 how much? 13.3. Is it correct? Yes, this is the correct option for that one. Okay. Okay, now we have to go for how can you find out for pH value of dilute solution. Here dilute solution means how it is there means dilute solution. So dilute solution means what? Water is there. Something is water is there. How can you find it if water is there? Dilute solution. So in dilute solution, whatever it may be, dilute solution, whatever it may be. Suppose here, if you take water, you have to take water at 25 degrees centigrade only. So here, H plus concentration is equal to OH minus concentration. How much it is? OH minus concentration. How much it is? 10 power of minus 7. Whatever it may be. Suppose if you take any strong acid, the H plus concentration from this strong acid, suppose you take H plus concentration from here, along with this you have to take water concentration also. Suppose this H plus concentration from water. Suppose you take strong base, OH minus concentration, here also same H plus concentration and H plus concentration from water. You can easily get like this. Okay, this is OH minus concentration. Why? Because base it is not OH minus concentration from water molecule. So we will go for some examples, don't worry. Okay, now we go for this problem. Some problems are there. Suppose how they will form. This is not minus 4, this is minus 7. Don't worry, it is minus 7. So how can you find out for first one? First one what? 10 power minus 7 HCl. HCl is there. So for this one, how can you find out pH value? So first of all, we have, this is acid, we have to find out H plus concentration. So H plus concentration, how it is possible? Okay, valence factor 1 into 10 power minus 7. Okay, I will accept that. So this 10 power minus 7 is close to water concentration. In water H plus concentration. So that's why it is not negligible. So we have to add that concentration also. So we can like this, we can add. So common point is 10 power 7, 1 plus 1 is there. How much it is? 2 into 10 power minus 7 is there. 10 power minus 7. So how can you find out pH value? pH minus log, how much? 2 into 10 power minus 7. Finally what will you get? 7 minus log 2. 7 minus log 2 value 0.3. 6.7. 6.7 is the pH for this one. Understand? We have to add water. Next one. 10 power minus 8 MSCl. What happens? What is the H plus concentration here? H plus concentration. It is also nearest to 10 power 7. So it is not negligible. So we have to add water concentration, H plus concentration. What is this formula? 10 power minus 8 plus 10 power minus 7. Common one, 10 power minus 7. What is remaining here? 10 power minus 1 is there. What 1 is there. So finally you will get like this. 1.1. You know that how is possible? 1. So 10 power minus 7. Here 0.1 plus 1 is there. Finally you will get like this. Minus 7. From this pH value you can find out. Minus log 1.1 into 10 power minus 7 is there. So this is minus, what happens? 7 minus log 11 into 10 power of minus 1. Finally which one you will get? Plus 1. No? Plus 1. No. Sorry. Is it plus 1? Okay, plus 1. Here minus. How much it is? Okay, here almost equal to here. Log 11 means here value will be in negative form. Minus log 1.1. It is almost equal to 6.96. This is the pH for acidic solution. Okay, this is over. Next comes to third point. Third one what? 10 power minus M NOH. 10 power minus M NOH. So go for this one. OH concentration. How much it is? 1 valency factor into 10 power minus 7. So this is nearer to H plus water concentration. We have to add 10 power minus 7. How can you find out? 2 into 10 power minus 7. You have to do calculation easily. So what is the formula? POH formula. POH how much? Minus log 2 into 10 power minus 7. What is the value? 7 minus log 2. How it is? 7 minus log 2 how much? 0.3. So finally you will get 6.9, 6.7 almost. This is POH for base. So always listen. POH is base, less than 7. You will think this is for acidic solution. So if acid is given, pH is less than 7, should be 7. POH will be greater than 7. But comes to the base, what happens? Just opposite. pH will be greater than 7. POH will be less than 7. This is base now. That's why 7 will be greater than. This is POH. POH will be greater than 7. That's why. Sorry. Less than 7. POH is less than 7. Okay. Quite opposite. Don't worry. Okay. What happened? 0.6 is there. This is the answer for POH. We have to find pH value. So pH is what is the formula? pH is 14 minus 6.7. How much? 5.3 is the correct option. Yes, sir. So it is over. It is over. Next one is fourth one. Fourth one. How it's fourth one? What is that? 10 power minus 8 to M NaOH. So it is your OH concentration. How can you find out? 10 power minus 8 into 1. No? It means 1 valency factor. Along with 10 power minus 7 we have to add. How can you find out 10 power minus 7? Here, what is the value? 10 power minus 1 plus 1. How can you find out? Minus 7. Here also same 1.1. Same. POH is equal to. How can you find out? 1.1 into 10 power minus 7. OH concentration it is. If you want POH, minus log 1.1 into 10 power minus 7. Finally you will get minus log 1.1. I think it is 0.04 minus 1.1. So finally you will get 6.96 will be the answer. This is for POH. How can you find out pH value? pH will be greater than 7 for base. Already I told you. So 14 minus 6.9. 14 minus 6.96. How much? 14 6.96. it is 7.04 is the pH value for this base. Understand? Coming to the last problem, what happens here? Say H plus concentration, we have to find out H plus concentration. Only one valence factor, 10 power minus 10 is there. We have to add 10 power minus 7 or not? So if you add 10 power minus 7 and 10 power minus 12, 100 times, okay, 100 times are greater. Which is more? 10 power minus 7 is more. So this will be negated. So we can't use this formula. So we have to use only this condition. So whatever it is equal to almost 10 power minus 7. So pH how much? 7 will be the pH. Understand? This is the calculating pH values. Coming to the point, dilution of strong acid and strong base. Dilution of strong acid and strong base. How can you find out strong acid and strong base? Suppose if they given like this, how can you find out for strong acids? If strong acid is given, first one is strong acid. Strong acid is given. How can you find out? Dilution means something changes is occur. So new pH will be obtained. So how can you find out new pH? pH for new will be equal to pH of old plus salt log V2 by V1. Log V2 by V1. This you have to remember, log V2 by V1. So this is for acid. If strong base is given, how can you find out pH new, not pOH new? So pH new is equal to pH old minus, we have to use log V2 by V1. So these are the main problems or main formulas to get pH, okay, pH for dilution of strong, not normal strong acid, normal bases. If they given, we can find out easily, but dilution, how many times it is diluted, pH will be changes. That's why we can easily find out by using these formulas. Okay, don't forget, remember it is, we go through some problems, understand? So question is given like this. So we have to find out new pH for this. This is old pH they given, that is old pH. This is old pH, 100 times diluted and strong acid it is. For strong acid you know that what is the formula for this one, I will explain. So what happens, what is given, we have to, pH is given, pH old is given, how much? 1, and suppose V1 is V, 100 times diluted means volume will be increases. Suppose it is initially it is volume V. Suppose V2 100 times means 100 times of volume. This is strong acid. How can you find out a new pH? pH of new equal to pH of old plus is there. Why? Because strong acid. If strong acid is plus, we have to use. If it is strong base, minus. So V2 by V1. What is the value? pH new we have to know. What is the value for 1? 1 is there. V2 100V and this is V. We cancel. Okay, sorry. Here we have to use V log. Sorry, log V2 by V1. Log in formulas I think we didn't told 100. This is we cancel 1 plus log 10 square. How can you find out? 2 log 10. Log 10 value 1. 1 plus 2 is equal to how much? pH new is 3. I think in formulas which I did given in previous, before this one, I think there is, we didn't use any log. If you not there, you have to use. Just to clarify it. Another form of question they will give new pH, we have to find out. So here HCl is pH is not given directly, old pH. So first of all we have to go for old pH. This is acid. Acid formula you know that. This is concentration or molarity. So how can you find out this one? pH value how much it is? -3 is there now. +3 is the pH 3. So now we can find out pH new one. How can you find out pH new? pH new is equal to old pH how much? 3, and log plus is there now. Why? Because strong acid is there. So log V2 by V1 means, suppose it is V1 is V, V2 how much? 2 times of V. It means 2V by V. This is the answer. 3 plus log 2. Log 2 means how much? 0.3. Totally you will get overall 3.3 is the answer. Understand? Listen here, what happens? NOH strong base is given, 10 power minus 2 dilution is given 1000 times. How can you find out? So we need pH value for this one. So here what will give easily? OH concentration will give pOH how much? pOH is here 2. How much pH? pH will give 12. Understand? This is old pH. Now we have to find out new pH. pH new, how much it is? This is strong base. 12 minus we have to use. So V2 means 1000 times of V by V. This is we have to use log. VV cancel. How can you find out? 12 minus log 10 cube we can use. 3 will come forward. 12 minus 3 log 10. Finally you will get 3 into 1. Log 10 value 1. So how can you find out how much it is? 8. I think it is 8. Yeah, 9 is the correct option. Okay, this is the option. Here listen, 10 power minus 6 concentration is how much 100 times is diluted. 100 times means it is very negligible. I mean what? Suppose it is 10 power minus 6. It is 100 times means how much? 10 power minus 8 times. It is not possible. So we have to go through this value. This is very diluted. We can't use this one. Why? Because it is very diluted. It will be neglected. We have to consider this one only. So for acid, finally 6.96 for this value. You have to remember this one. Understand? Next one here, listen. So if already we discussed pH value, how if two strong acids are combined, we completed concept of how to find out pH value. If two strong bases are attached, so added, how can you find out pH? We completed that concept. So if separately strong acid is there, how can you find out pH value? We completed. And if strong base is there, how can you find out pH value? We completed. Okay. But if strong acid and strong base is added, how can you find out value? So first of all we have to N1 V1. So suppose NaVA, N means how much? 2 into H plus concentration, 0.1 into V how much? 100. Here this is base now, that's why NbVb. Nb means 0.1 into 1 OH minus concentration.